Hello and welcome everybody. Today we will disclose and install the fire smoke and fire alarm. The brand is Universal. This type have to put or installed in the hallway. Okay, so I already disclosed it, but I'll show you how. There's some few technical advices. Okay, so this is the product manual, instructions, and the guidelines. Okay, this type of smoke and fire alarm had a built-in battery that should last for 10 years. It's never replaced battery. You'll not replace it, so you don't have to take care about the battery anymore. Also, only install it and forget about it for 10 years. Okay, this alarm by default it comes like this. To not make the battery work while the product on the shelf, they make this lock for the battery operation. Once you disclose it and you want to use it, you have to pull this away. Once you pull it away, you activate the alarm. It will give one beep sound. It will last for 5 seconds or something. Then you can press the button to stop the sound. Okay, this is the mounting bracket. The mounting bracket is come like this. Okay, you will fix it on the wall or in the seal using 2 screwdrivers or screw, sorry. Okay, so what is this? This one is a key. Most probably you will use it after 10 years. When you need to dispose this alarm or this device after the end of service, you will use this key to to kill the battery inside and discharge it. How to use it? You flip it here. There is place here you can insert the key and turn it clockwise. Okay, but this after 10 years. Yani before you dispose the alarm and smoke detector, you will do this. Okay, we already mount the mounting bracket. Then we install the fire alarm. Okay, you have to test it once every week. You test it by hold and press and hold for 2-3 seconds here to hear the sound. Also, you can monitor the lid inside here. It will blink one blink every 2 minutes. Okay, let's say we installed it already on the wall or seal, and you need to lock it so no one can unlock it or remove it. You will use this pin. There is a pin here. You will detach it from its place, but this after after doing everything. Then you will put it here to prevent anyone or any children or anyone to play with the device. And this is how to use it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all be safe. Follow the fire instructions, and make I will say some guidelines. You have to make a drill every 6 months at least. Show your children how to escape from the fire, and exactly how to do during fire. Also, be sure that your children be familiar with this sound and what does it mean, because if you just install it and you didn't show your children and let them listen to its sound and how it's look or hear like the sound like, most probably they will not understand what's happening. So you have to be sure that to make them familiar with the sound, and train them how to do in case of fire. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. بعد ما قلنا باي باي, after saying goodbye, I need to show you after installation and how to use this lock pin. Okay, this pin, it can be inserted from here or from here, according to the rotation or how you install it. So it's better to be from above. Why we installed this one? Because if it doesn't lock the device, any children can get a chair and can play with the device. So by locking it, you will lock its movement and rotation. You insert here, then be inserted like this here. No one can uninstall or unmount it.